Yeah! You just gotta get used to people looking at you like you're a freak. Ew, what are you doing?
Working in the rain sucks.
That always looks so cool. I thought it'd be fun to film a week in my life, and today I am hosting a birthday party for my friend. Her birthday was a couple days ago, but this was the first free opportunity, and we're about to leave here in about 20 minutes to go get some balloons, pick up the cake, and then go start decorating. And then I'm gonna come back here and finish getting ready, finish doing my hair, and get my outfit on. The theme of the party is mob wives, which I'm super excited for. It just fits her like vibe perfectly. Like, this is just such a fun theme for her, and I'm super excited. So I thought I'd bring you along, and it's gonna be so much fun. I have her birthday present here, and then I have a bunch of decorations. This is happy birthday, and then there's balloons, candles, Polaroid film. I've been a little stressed just because I've been planning this for a couple of weeks and I just want it to all go well. I reached out and selected the flavor of cake that Delaney was most interested in, and then I asked the cake girl to just decorate it like mob wives theme, and I like sent her some photos, so I have no idea what the cake looks like. Cute. I am all ready and I'm gonna head over there and finish decorating before everyone comes. Everything is set up. I have these little centerpieces. They're so cute. This is where the birthday girl will sit. And then we got some balloons, and the cake is in here. It looks so cute. It is absolutely stunning. So cute. And then this is the outfit. This dress from Abercrombie. Pearl necklace from somewhere random, wearing sunglasses, raincoat.
Oh yeah. Like drenched.
It used to be
Happy birthday, dear Delaney. Good morning. It's the next day. Last night was so much fun, and I think that the birthday girl had a lot of fun as well. It was just so nice to celebrate her, just see all the planning like come together. But today I have a rules class because I work for a railroad, and there are certain rules that you have to abide by, like where you can go and when, what you do in this situation, like how many handbrakes are you going to apply to this many cars in this certain location. And so there's just a lot to know. We had a rules class on Friday and a safety meeting, and then today we have another rules class, and I think today we're going to take a test as well. That is in about 20 minutes, and I need to go clock in at the shops and then also sign a bid. And bids are how we determine like who gets what job, and the bids are assigned based off of seniority. So I'm gonna go sign the bids. I may or may not get them, and then we're gonna go take the rules class, and I think that they're providing lunch, so I'm very excited for that. Let's do this. It is literally pouring down rain right now, so I'm glad that we're not like actually working, because working in the rain sucks a lot. Good morning. It is Tuesday, and today is my first day of being a conductor since the end of last season. I'm a little nervous, but it'll be fine. I'm excited. And I have two trains, a 9 o'clock and a 1 o'clock departure. Yeah, I'm about to head to work. I need to clock in about 25 minutes, but I need to switch out the insignia on like the buttons on my coat, the conductor hat, like all of that stuff. So I need a little bit more time to get all of that done. So let's go. Like no parking now. I know, it's crazy. I was like, I'm gonna park over here on the side, but I forgot to update, but I'm home now and we're about to eat dinner, and that was pretty much the extent of the day. It's like almost sunny for the first time in I don't know how many days, and I have the day off today. So Canada's been having wildfires, and it's actually pretty smoky in there, and we're like 45 minutes from the border. Well, we're actually like 15 minutes from the real border, but from customs we're like 45 minutes. But anyways, I'm sitting outside and soaking up what little sunshine is coming through the smoke right now. I think my sister is not working today, so I'm gonna bother her. Hi sister.
Welcome to my channel. This is where, wait. Welcome to my crib. This is where we...
But we have love in our heart, and we want you in, as long as you bring the love.
This is the digital camera that everybody wants. She's gonna help you?
I was gonna go to the police department.
Why are we going to the police? Are you gonna get him arrested?
Yeah, actually. Gonna get him a membership to the gun range.
Man and Mom, they're such baddies.
I know, right? I was looking at this photo of Mom on a dirt bike with Uncle Drew. I'm like, okay, baddie. This is my little baby Cleo. She's so nice.
I'm just teasing.
So if you remember that sunshine I was talking about, it did in fact go away immediately.
It's cold out here.
This is our mom being a baddie. Ew, what are you doing?
Spitting.
Okay, maybe like go so it's not all dripping out of your mouth. That's so gross. Ugh. Photos of you, it's like I remember you, but you seeing little photos of me. Father's Day is tomorrow, and we need to get our dad something, and also probably get us a cinnamon roll, right? Obviously. Hey, my name's Ava. I'm like so cool. So one more thing about us is that we live in a tourist town, and there's people looking at us all the time.
And everywhere.
Oh wow, that's really cute actually. The brown sweatshirt with the brown of the tree and the green. Oh, I got this. I'm behind the scenes, man.
Welcome to my vlog. Let's go.
Welcome to my crib, actually. Mom and I actually found that out like 2 days ago. Yesterday.
What is that? So living in a tourist town, and if you ever want to like be comfortable, you just gotta get used to people looking at you like you're a freak. The door's closed to the walkway. So we drove by that and we didn't even see that they're closed, so we're gonna try again somewhere else maybe, and then we'll run our important errands that we actually have to get done.
Is the DMV open on the police department, fire department open on Saturday?
Probably not, but this is my only day off, so I want to get my dad a membership to the rifle range, but you have to get a card from the police department or the DMV, which is like the same thing here. So my boyfriend's siblings are having a lemonade stand, so we're getting money to go support their business. Okay, $5. That's enough for 2 lemonades, right?
The door's not closed.
Oh, that might be important. Look at my nails, hold on. They match the lemonade. Wait, can we get 2 lemonades, please? Mission, Father's Day run was successful. I got the card to the gun range. She got him a knife and also a card.
A knife!
No! Sorry, we're closed, but open? Sorry, they closed or open?
Wait, what are their hours?
When you can hear your job on your day off. So we got our doughboy. Looks like this. It's gonna be very messy, so we're gonna go eat it outside. In a small town, you have to wave to people that you see, and even if you don't know them and you know their car, you still have to wave. Hi!
That was actually really cute.
That was cute. We're your neighbors. Oh yeah!
Do you have work tomorrow?
I don't know, maybe. My boss was like, Sunday's gonna be really busy. And I was like, do you need us on Sunday? And he was like, Sunday's gonna be really busy.
I'm scared that it's gonna fall.
Ava's getting her dirt bike so that she can drive it around, and maybe I'll learn how to ride it too. And obviously we had to bring her dad to help us.
Where'd they get this thing? Huh? It's so unsafe.
Why does dad always look so cool?
Okay, if we don't see you down there, then
You died.
we know that you didn't make it to small you.
Love you, sister. Please don't die.
See you at the ball field? I'll go to the ball field. I brought bug spray. These bugs are horrendous.
Okay, we're at softball right now with these goons. Millie, say hi to the vlog.
Welcome to my crib. This is where we...
But we have love in our heart.
Yafa, let's do this. Run, run! For those that don't know, her bike is steel apparently, and it's super heavy, and I almost tipped over on it. Bye!